Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and get bits on Twitch? Well, you should not be going after bits or chasing after bits. However, I'm going to go ahead and teach you a couple of ways that you can organically grow on your Twitch and get subscribers, bits, and your ultimate goal. So if that sounds like what you want, definitely watch the video till the end and let's get straight into the video. First things first, we're gonna start by analyzing a couple people who are doing good right now on Twitch and people who used to do great in Twitch. So for example, everyone knows ishowspeed. Why is ishowspeed so successful in Twitch or YouTube as a whole? Well, number one reason is because ishowspeed is entertaining, and that is what keeps his viewers hooked into his streams. Every moment there is something happening, every moment he's doing something, every moment there is some reason that he constantly gives you to watch him every day, right? So that is one of the reasons why ishowspeed is famous or successful on Twitch as a whole. However, that is not just the reason, because the way he grew is pretty familiar to the patterns that people have been using before in order to grow. So for example, let me just show you something. ishowspeed best moments. I'm very sure you've watched one of these videos, any of these videos, whether it's on Reels, Shorts, or even on YouTube. Well, why do you think there are so many of these videos on YouTube or even other platforms like Reels and TikTok? The main reason is because these are the way to grow on Twitch. The way to grow on Twitch is by growing outside of Twitch. So first of all, I want you to start focusing on understanding the algorithms of Reels. I want you to start understanding the algorithms of TikTok in order for you to go ahead and post your best moments from your stream. I'm going to give you a very simple step-by-step way that you can go ahead and follow in order for you to grow on Twitch. So for example, let me just show you. So this is your Twitch account, right? Let me just put it right here. And this is other social media platforms. So we could go into specifics of other social media platform. For example, this could be Instagram Reel. This could be YouTube Shorts. And most importantly, this could be TikTok, right? So what I want you to firstly do is make sure you understand these platforms, which normally push out your content to unique viewers. So for example, TikTok is most likely the one to get you the highest amount of views if your content is studied well and structured well. And then there's Insta Reel, and finally there's your YouTube Shorts. So what you want to do is make a system which is going to bring people from Insta Reel, bring people from YouTube Shorts, and bring people from TikTok straight into your Twitch live stream, right? So this is your live stream, and I want you to make sure that your live stream is going to be on peak at all times. Once that happens, what you do is you grow on Twitch and you start gaining more followers and more followers. So for example, there's going to be a conversion rate. For example, if you get 1,000 followers and if your content is engaging enough, valuable enough, at least 10% of these 1,000 people could convert into your subscribers. And from these subscribers, they will also day-to-day basis donate to you bits. So that is how you should be focusing on it. rather than just focusing on bits itself. So I hope this video made you clear about how you can grow on Twitch and get bits. So I hope, and if it did help you, definitely let me know in the comments, and I'll see you on the next one.